Railway Recruitment Board 2024. So friends, now we'll talk about the Indian Railways vacancies which we have to apply and the various vacancies. So the RRB Recruitment 2024 notification for RRB technician vacancy. The Railway Recruitment Board RRB has released a job notification for 9144 technician posts in various RRBs. Eligible candidate may apply online and the last date is 8 April 2024. So number 1 post name technician grade 1 signal. Number of post 1092. Age limit candidate age must be between 18 to 36 years as 1st July 2024. The per age relaxation is up to 3 years for OBC, 5 years for ST/SC and 10 years for PWD candidates. Salary pay level 5 of 7 CPC, that is 29,200. In the essential qualification, we have various qualification for this post. So we have Bachelor of Science in Physics, Electronics, Computer Science, or Information Technology, instrumentation from a recognized university, institution, or BSc in a combination of any substream or basic stream of physics, electronics, computer science, or information technology, instrumentation from a recognized university or institute. So friends, we have also another qualification, that is the 3 years diploma in engineering in the above basic stream or in a combination with any of the above basic streams. Or we have also another one qualification that you can apply, that is the degree in engineering in the above basic streams or in a combination of any of the above basic streams. So these are the qualification that you friends can apply for the post of technicians. And we also have number 2 post name technician grade 3. Number of posts we have 8052. Age limit of the candidate must be between 18 to 33 years as 1st July 2024. And the upper age limit relaxation is up to 3 years for OBC, 5 years for ST/SC, and 10 years for PWD candidates. And the salary pay level 2 of 7 CPC, that is rupees 19,900. And the essential qualification for the grade 3 technician must be matriculation or SSLC plus IIT from recognized institution of NCVT or SCVT in the trades as mentioned in the official notifications. So remember friends, this grade 3 must be matriculation pass for the RRBs vacancies. Or we also have another qualification for the grade 3 technicians under the post of RRB. We have matriculation, SSLC plus course completed as apprenticeship in the trades mentioned above. So these are the qualifications for the applicants who can apply for the grade 3 technician post. And we also have the note that you can follow for the detailed educational qualification. Please check annexure of a detailed notification as mentioned below. So we also have how to apply for RRB recruitment 2024 RRB technician vacancies. So to apply for these various posts, The interested and eligible candidates may apply online through the RRB recruitment portal, which mentioned in the description box below, from 9 March 2024 to 8 April 2024. So friends, remember, from 9th of March to 8th of April 2024, you can apply for these various posts under the RRB vacancies. Apply online for RRB recruitment 2024 RRB technician vacancies, direct link which will be given on the description box. So applicants are advised to go to the RRB recruitment 2024 RRB technician vacancies official notification. So this official notification, you can click this link which I will be provide on the description box. So friends, as of now, angay ba pila soto ya kiniki khubor beli shubun ya kejeng pelut bor jung pi ban sangat ya kenika video jenga.